Alright folks, here we go again. I might look a little different today. I'm standing up, of all things. These are the new MPow H7 headphones. We're trying to use a mic on here. I don't know if it's working or if we're getting phone microphone. We'll see in a few seconds. But let's check out the unbox and the review. All right, folks, today we're going to unbox this set of headphones. So if I can manage to cut off the packaging here, we'll get to that very shortly. Hopefully not cutting any of my fingers off. This is just got the old pen knife going here, or what they used to call a pocket knife. None of them fancy knives them other guys use, because this gets the job done and it's like 80 years old. All we have to do is find the center line here. And we're going to just slice around open and hope for the best. Now, all right, let's see what we have going for us. Oh yeah, we got these very nice MPow H7 headset, wireless headset. Ooh, is that cool or what? Now we're going to kind of check around and see what we get here. Soft and comfortable. Rotating shaft design. Volume up, and a quick basic of our specs. Next, see if we can get this son of a gun open without embarrassing ourselves too awful much. Here, looks like that just pops out. So, okay. Yeah, it's a little more work than I had planned for, but Amazon obviously has some serious pull. This was delivered by the Postal Service before 9 a.m. on a Sunday. This is a Sunday, folks. Go figure. How does that happen? You know, Sunday. I think I'm opening it right. This whole unboxing thing is sometimes a little complicated, but there we go. I'm gonna have to tear a few pieces off here to make things work. And away we go. I'm sure I've gone about this totally in the wrong manner, but it's okay. We're gonna go in here and see what we get for $17. Other than a bunch of stuff falling out. Alright, we're going to get rid of the box. We don't need that anymore, do we? Sorry about hitting the gooseneck there. An important reminder here. Make sure you charge it with a 1 amp adapter. Well, I'll charge it off the computer here. It does that quite well, I must say. So, let's get right to it. What's in the box? Well, you get this pretty nice carrying case. Nice soft felt on the outside, and the drawstring deal. So you can carry it along with you somewhere. Not a hard case, but look, you're paying $16. What'd you expect? Next, a little bit of info on connecting it to a TV. Not something I'm going to do. And little MPow full return, limited warranty, that kind of stuff. And of course, pretty nice little owner's manual. Not much, but it's in a couple of languages. It'll get you through what you need to do. So, what else do we have? We have the 3.5 to 3.5 if you want to plug these in and use them that way. And then we have our charging cable. It's a micro USB charging. If I can get it to focus, well, maybe I can't. It's just one of those. Oh, there we go. So we've got our cables. And last but not least, we have our headset. And isn't that why we're here? So, let's get it out of the, well, just gonna throw those down there. Get rid of that plastic. What you've got here are really nice, soft foam ear cups. They're pretty nice. And a little bit of foam padding up here. And these rotate. And they are labeled left and right, as they should be. And all our little buttons here. We've got our, well, if I can get it to focus, there we go. Our charging port, our 3.5. This is going to be our on-off switch here. And these two, if you quick click them, they'll change tracks. And if you hold them, they'll change volume, I believe. Might be the reverse of that. Probably should read the box. All right, that's what we have so far. I'm gonna check them, do a little playing with them, and I'll be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. We're gonna take a few looks at all the buttons and things like that. Now, as you can see, if you short click the plus and the minus on here, it'll change tracks when you're playing videos. This button will turn it on, off, pair it, does a number of things. Your microphone port is right near that. And of course I have it plugged in now, so you're going to see the red LED on. I just wanted to charge them all the way up and do a pretty good test. Now I've already wandered around the apartment here and I can't get them to fade out. Now, it's not a huge place I have, but definitely walls don't block it, not at 20, 25 feet. These are very loud. I mean, we're talking real loud. So, the sounds are pretty good. You're not going to hear the greatest sound here, but I'm going to throw the microphone down here as we go up on the screen here. And we're going to check out this video. A little non-copyrighted music. Let's do that and see how overbearing it is.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So, as you might have heard, they do sound pretty good. I mean, that's through a cheap lapel mic that you're not going to hear noises from. The ear pads are super comfortable. Obviously, they rotate, lay down like that. Well, I guess if I point the camera back where we're going, it looks good. They look good. The logo isn't overpowering or anything if you're into looks. We're going to see how long they take to charge up. But that's neither here nor there. They have a pretty decent ratcheting mechanism here. And they'll fit a lot of head sizes. They fit me easily. These are just simply put, for the money. Check the link in the video description below. These are really good headphones. For 17 bucks, plus whatever taxes you might have to pay, you can't go wrong. For now, that's going to end our hands-on review of these. They do have really good bass. Fairly good mid-range. Obviously, I couldn't play any of the music I normally listen to. I listened to a little Shinedown with them. I listened to some band the night they drove Old Dixie down, you know, things like that. And they sounded really, really crisp and clear. They pair up almost instantaneously. Great. And I get a notification. All right. They pair up almost instantly to my PC, the little Zotac over there, that guy right there. I think we're going to process this whole video on, the one they tell you can't process videos on. And they paired up to the new Mobile G3, just like that. And I gotta say, now they're my first set of Bluetooth headphones, and I'm not an audiophile. I just want loud rock and roll coming through my headset. Or just to be able to watch YouTube at 2 in the morning and not bother the neighbors with the volume up. That's it. So, we're going to leave it at that and say thanks for watching today. And, oh, wait, I did promise some stuff. We're going to do a giveaway here. As I promised, if I can find all the pieces, parts we're going to give away. It's nothing spectacular. Don't get all excited. I have 3 items that we're going to give away. You're going to get all 3. So, a lapel mic, just like the one I'm using, except it's missing the clip. You can go on Amazon and for $1.98 get 10 clips. I'm not about to buy a clip just to give them away to you guys. Then we have this nice DisplayPort adapter. Goes from DisplayPort to HDMI. So if you already have an HDMI TV and a cable, but your new device has DisplayPort out, super. And this that I bought before I bought the dongle that's allowing me to use the microphone with the G3. This is a splitter, so you can maybe send half your signal to your, main speakers, and the other half over maybe to your subwoofer, whatever. All three. Now, how do you win these? It's pretty darn easy. Make sure you're a subscriber. Really, it's not that hard to do. Subscribe to us. And then post a comment and say, put a pound or hashtag I wanna win in the feedback, and then leave whatever comment you have about this video in general. I would prefer feedback, and a thumbs up would be super. That's all I got. Not a bad Sunday morning's work. It's not even 10 a.m. We've learned a lot of things. The Postal Service answers to Amazon and does deliver on Sunday. And these are a pretty darn good set of over-the-ear headphones. Nice big ear cups. So make sure you go over to Amazon, check them out. There will be a link in the description below. And remember, I get a little cut of that if you buy them through my link. Not much, maybe $1, not even. But every penny helps and every subscriber helps. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have more content for you, maybe later today. Who knows?